What's up, y'all? How you doing? So today we're starting off the day going somewhere pretty cool. So you guys remember last video, or I guess 2 videos ago, 3 videos, my bad, but a subscriber actually sent us a pair of wheels, which I'm still, okay, let's hope that doesn't happen again. I'm still mind blown that we got a set of wheels in the mail, but they happen to be the perfect wheel for Steph's Miata, and I couldn't be more excited and happy about it and more grateful. If you guys remember, they were a set of 16-inch Reassembly, and I got the face in the truck right now. So luckily, one of my good friends actually owns a GTR performance shop locally, and they powder coat probably every piece on those chassis, like timing covers, valve covers, coolant overflows, intercooler piping, everything. And he gets all his work done locally at a shop called Shoreline Powdercoating, and they're in North Branford, Connecticut. And I hit him up, and they're gonna hook it up and get these wheels right. As you guys know, these are old wheels. I mean, these were probably made in the 90s, if not, you know, older. And as you can see, they've been through a lot of shit in their life. So now it's time for a full upgrade, and we're gonna be powder coating these things so they look amazing and look amazing for a long time. So I'm really excited. I've seen the quality of their work down here, and it's beautiful, and these wheels deserve it. So we're headed there now. Drew gave me the pass off on the heavy Chevy, and yeah, so let's go check it out. All right, so I think I found the right place. Oh, yep, that's definitely it. Nice. Hey, what's up, Kyle?
What's up? How you doing?
Doing good yourself?
I'm good. This is Toby.
This is Toby. Toby, say hi.
Toby.
No, he's camera shy.
He's camera shy.
You ready to do some coating?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Do it.
All right, so we gotta pick a color. That's the important one. So we talked about it in the last video, like 2 videos ago, and we were thinking something light, something that doesn't, you know, stick out too heavy. Probably something like a nice OEM silver. What are you thinking? I know you've been thinking about something.
Thinking just like a shiny silver.
Shiny silver. Is that a paint code?
No.
So we were looking at the wall, and I found 2 silvers that I really like, and you could tell they're very, I guess you could say, metallic-y. And these are actually 2 different colors. Putting it in the sun, it's a whole different look, and thinking of going with this color just because it's very silver, has a nice flake to it, and it has some good depth, and I think it's going to look really good against the polished lips. So what do we got? Silver metallic?
Silver metallic too. I like it.
Yeah? Cool.
Looks good.
Of course, since the wheels are old and the finish is destroyed, we have to take the finish off. So there's basically 2 ways we could do it. We could either blast it off with media, or we could put it in an acid bath, and the acid will actually eat the old finish off and take it off and leave it down to bare aluminum. So we're actually going to be using an acid bath instead of using some media to blast it off, and I'm really excited to see how it looks, and it's over here. Let's throw this one in, and here's just a quick before. You can see the damage everywhere. Someone actually tried sanding it a little bit there. So what are we shoving this in?
Very nasty acid. This is the last time you'll see it like this.
Oh, that's strong stuff. Just what? I think that was like 10 minutes, right?
Yeah, right about there. Just a little dirty, but let me neutralize.
What do we got? She's slimy. Oh no, oh wow, that worked really well. So now this is just bare aluminum, right?
Yep. Just have to etch it, and be good to spray. That'll sandblast out.
So what's happening right now?
Just putting it in a plastic media just to get the nastiness off of it. That just got all the nastiness off. That way we can put it in the other actual etching one.
Awesome. Okay, so this was the finer media, so this was like a plastic media, right?
Yep.
And so that just took all the crap off, and now we're gonna put it in a more abrasive media to give it that uniform finish and give a good surface for the powder coat to stick to.
So you can still see the oxidation. We didn't really get anything with that. Once we etch that, then this will mostly be all pretty much uniform.
Oh, these things look perfect now. Yeah, so it took off all that weird sanding marks, took out a lot of just the weird finish and made it look all uniformed again. So now we have a good surface to lay some powder on and make it look brand new.
Nice and etched, ready to go.
Barely tell it's on there. Alright, this is a famous technique right here. So, since the lips are actually sitting on this edge, and this edge, we can't have any powder fall on it because it might make the surface uneven and might not seal well. So, instead of spending all the time masking it up,
We're gonna use the vacuum.
that works so well. How was he just walking in there like that?
The bottom of his shoes are completely flat. They really are. About to get in trouble.
Here we go.
Why mine? You're still.
That looks awesome.
Well, we still gotta put clear on it too, so
Clear will give it a little more depth,
it'll make this sparkle pop a little bit more.
a little more sparkle to it. I'm into it. I mean, even if it was just like this, I'd be stoked. What time is it? Clear coat time?
Clear coat time.
Clear coat time. Same process.
All over the camera.
Back in the oven she goes.
Bye.
Later. It's been a long time, dude. You should probably let him out now.
Oh shit. Holy shit, that was hot. Is that shit alright?
Hell yeah, dude. The clear looks amazing on this thing. It really gave a lot of depth to it.
Oh yeah, makes it pop.
Makes it pop. Alright, now she's fully cured.
That looks good.
How she look? Oh my god.
Yeah, see, it's making smooth.
Oh, it looks so good. Can you bring it outside?
Yeah.
I want to see it outside.
Well,
so
let's
bad.
tamper it first.
168. Oh, you got this.
I'll touch it all day.
Yep. There we go.
Where's the stuff?
Oh, there we go. Oh, I hope the camera could see how beautiful. Oh, it looks so good. I can't believe this is the same face. Wow, there's a lot more sparkle than I thought.
Uh-oh.
No, that's a good thing. Yeah,
Okay, good.
Oh my god, Steph is gonna love this.
Should have did pink flake. Sorry, Steph.
This was definitely the right color. We're gonna finally show the before and after, so this is a good angle.
How often does your battery die?
If he's doing video, probably.
He's definitely doing a video right now. My big.
Oh, it's so good. Alright guys, so we banged out one face today just because I was dying to see how it looked and exceeded my expectations by far. We picked the perfect finish and it came out perfect, and I think it's going to look beautiful against the Miata's paint. A huge shout again to Shoreline Powdercoating down here in North Brantford. They exceeded my expectations tenfold and I couldn't be more excited. So we'll grab the rest of the faces tomorrow or the next day and we'll start mocking them up and seeing what size lips we need. And like I said, I can't wait to see how they look. So if you guys need any high quality powder coating done in the area, of course, check them out. I'll put their Instagram below. Shoot them a DM. They're down to quote you on whatever. So, all right, I was hoping to get a few things done before I left, but it is getting late and I have to go pick up the trans. So, got a little bit of a drive. I'm gonna head up to my buddy's shop and he, like I said, he parts out BMWs. I don't even know if I said that, but he parts out BMWs and he found me the trans and he's hooking me up with a really good deal. So we need the trans, the pedals, the shifter, and the drive shaft. So So we can get today, and hopefully tomorrow we can get the trans on the engine and get it into the BMW, which is really good. 30 minutes later. Ooh. Ooh. There's so many. Jesus Christ, kid. They're multiplying. You're. Hey guys. Yo, every time I come here, you have like 3 times the amount of BMWs I've seen last time. There's like 30 outside.
They're multiplying. They're definitely, dude, I keep finding like $500. So can't really pass it up.
Hell yeah. I mean, if you need Beamer parts, hit up Orion. Shit.
Yeah.
Okay, I know. I won't forget about you, homie. Spencer, what do we got here?
That's 54 E36.
This is really what needs to happen. So this is an E46 M3, this thing right here. Yeah, he's got every version of everything here. This motor comes in here and it just fits so nicely in the E36. And this is always my dream swap for the right-hand drive car. Looks so good.
Right now I'm rebuilding the Vanos unit, so it's off right now. It's the only reason why I'm not driving it.
I can't get over how well it fits in here. It looks so sick.
I cannot wait to drive it. It's all bolt up. You literally put E36 engine mount arms on it.
Really?
Yeah.
Bolts up to
it bolts right up, and then it bolts up center. That's what's on it right now. And you still retain the whole S54 power steering assembly. And
no way.
the
That's
line,
so
yeah,
cool.
like this is the cooler line that's for like power steering, and it hooks right up to the rack. And then you can bolt up a ZF 5-speed with a ZF 5-speed.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, or you can do the 6-speed 420G with the auto shaft, and it bolts right up. I think that's what I'm gonna do though.
Oh, there you go.
It's gonna be sick.
So what's the price?
More than you can afford, pal.
No, as soon as you finish this, you gotta let me drive it, dude. You gotta let me drive it.
Definitely. I'm gonna bring it to a drift event. It'll be parked, sitting shiny. I might take it out for a run or two.
Hell yeah.
It'll be sweet.
Oh, it's so good. Factory ITBs, how cool is that? Oh, okay, she's not that dirty.
No, she's actually pretty good. It's got the shifter, the boot,
Nice.
literally everything except for the knob. It's got the slave on there, the cross brace. This is the fork and the pin and the retainer.
You know what I do need? I need that stupid round bushing that clicks into the chassis.
It's right here, bro.
No. Oh, dude, you're so good to me.
It was a full swap, so I had to just take it out. I gave you everything.
Okay,
that way you don't
good.
have to worry with literally anything.
When I did my manual swap in my red car, I was going crazy trying to find that thing. It's not easy to get in lot.
No, it's not. No, when I was building my car, I had to go steal it off one of my other cars that like ran. And I
Well,
was
good
like,
thing you have 17 of them. So.
Yeah.
Cool.
But yeah, no, it's literally just clicks right in. You'll see these 2 slits right here.
Nice.
Just one, and then the other just clicks right up and in.
I get a starter too, right?
You want a starter?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, there she is, boys. The M3's new transmission is acquired, so I'm using a ZF 5-speed, so it's the trans that it comes with. So now tomorrow we can go to the shop, put the clutch kit on, do the rear main seal, all that good stuff, throw all bearing, put the trans on, put the mounts on, and we can actually put it into the white car and start getting to actual work. So today was a sick day. We went and checked out Shoreline Powdercoating, saw their facilities, and saw how they do things down there. Really awesome guys. I'm really stoked to be working with them, and can't wait to see the wheels all fully done in the next couple of days. So on top of that, now we can get to actual work on the M3. So it's late, I'm exhausted, have to go edit this video. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and we'll see you tomorrow.